Yeah.
Good day, good day. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? So we are here. The markets are getting hot. That's the S&P 500. That's Nasdaq. 4:30 local time. So, what happened this morning? The market opened there, opened from here, it went up, fluctuated a little bit during the London session, consolidated, it pulled back. Now is getting ready for a new impulsive upward move. Our best friend is the book map here. Aggressive buyers, aggressive sellers. I like what I see, to be honest, because this can push the price to the upside. See the gap today there? Not a big one, but obvious. Gold. We have a support here. Since the morning, the market is going up. Guys, tonight they will report the interest rate in the US, and the markets look, usually the markets will keep going sideways during this session, just because the interest rates will determine the direction of these markets. How do we want to trade today? Let's find the market that is clear. Oh, this rejection here is not a good sign. Price here made higher highs and higher lows. Here it failed to make a new high, but yeah, and it made a new low. So maybe we're gonna have a bearish session for today, guys. Maybe a bearish session. Let's stay alert. Let's stay alert and open to the possibilities. Sellers are making their appearance. This is actually good. This is very good. Very good. On the book map, we see there is a nice drop here. Am I gonna start building my positions? Am I gonna start slowly building some positions as the price moves down? Aggressive sellers here. See how the buyers didn't manage to push the price higher. Let's see, let's wait. It's all about patience. Okay, no rush, nothing. Let's just wait. Here are trapped, maybe some trapped buyers here at this area. We need to see aggressive sellers here. Look at on the heat map. Look at how the buyers didn't manage to push the price up. You see that? Price is below the VWAP, which is good. Not much to see on the volume profile at the open. So far, the concentrated volume was in this price level between 28,230 and 26,230 and 26,212. I'm expecting the sellers to defend this area, and I'm not expecting the buyers to take out this high. And this is what I want to see today in this session. If I see the buyers breaking above this high, then I have to reassess if they are strong, if they are aggressive, and if they're going to close and hold above this area. And then we're going to look for long positions. But based on what we see right now, the market favors selling pressure. Look at how the price is trying to push above here, and sellers are defending it very aggressively. Let's see. We are still very early in the market now. Until we see some reaction here, let's check the gold. The gold now is not giving us a clear direction. It's very much sideways here, and I don't want to trade a sideways market. Very sideways. It could be the accumulation phase here, so maybe we have an accumulation phase here. I'd rather stick with the Nasdaq. Let's see. It's forming now a bullish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame. The RSI is picking up divergences all the way since the 8 in the morning. So back to the futures price market and also to the book map, just to see in real time what buyers and sellers are doing. There are 260 contracts at 26,265. This can be passive buyers, can also be aggressive sellers. We will find out once the price interacts with the level. And for sure the price will come down to touch the level because it's an obvious level for futures. Sweet Benjis, what a surprise to have you on our live. Thanks for your appearance. Appreciate that. Let's see the orders at the 282s. Looked like they were a lot of aggressive buyers being absorbed here. Also, this doji candle right below the R2 pivot point. Here is the price is coming down to this level. I'm very positive that the price will interact with this level because it's a key level of support currently. So let's see. Whoop. We had a snap and a sudden flash right here. See how the market didn't manage to stay above this line and sellers just got involved. Now buyers gradually are trying to push up. So this level here, guys, is a key level of resistance. See all these aggressive buyers, how they've been absorbed so far. Look at them. Wow. Look at this. Now the case will be if the price closes and push aggressively above this resistance, or if the buyers get bailed out and the price move down. Let's find it out. Let's find this out. Do you think Feds will cut rates tonight? What do you guys think? In Canada, they kept rates unchanged. Look at the numbers. So in Canada, they kept their interest rates at 2.25%. So Canada is the fourth on the list country with the highest interest rate. So far in the UK it's 3.75 and also in the US, and they are expecting to keep them unchanged in the US today, 3.75. But my God, God knows what the press conference will be tonight, guys. Based on the press conference, we will see the market, reaction and what's going to happen in the next days or weeks in the markets. Whoop. I like what I see here. Buyers look like hit a concrete wall here. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. I really like it. A little bit more move to the downside. Look at this. So now we want the price to drop and test this support. This support will be the case for today, ladies and gentlemen. Aggressive market participants tend to be passive sellers here. Let's see. The level is breaking. The level is breaking. Buyers trying to push. Guys, now we are entering into a strong buyer's territory. Okay, a strong. If the price breaks below this low, then yeah, we're gonna have a nice move to the downside. But it's a key level of support here, very significant one. Let's stay alert. A lot of passive orders are sitting here, maybe are aggressive buyers or just aggressive sellers. We have to see the bubble size. Whoa, buyers are building positions here. They are coming aggressive. Let's see what's going to happen here. They are breaking above the level. They are following. Are they following through? Yep, they are following through strongly. Do you think they will keep pushing up? Here are they. Oh, they are coming in momentum here. That was the level where the market broke to the upside. That one here. We need some good direction, So far, the battle is building between both. The market is ranging right there. There is nothing with the volume profile at the moment. I could get you involved with the footprint as well, but I won't do it today. Did something change with the gold? On the 5-minute chart on gold, I don't see a strong selling pressure, so maybe the price will push up. During strong trending markets, this price action setup is a good indication to buy the market. But only during strong trending markets. If you see this market starting from here until there, it's just going sideways. It's still not the market I want to place my bets on. Guys, is the music too loud or it's just good enough? Should I lower the volume a little bit or it's fine? Please let me know. Feedback is required. I don't think so. We're gonna have a great session today. Even the positions I'm taking are very small, very small. Nothing close to the positions I had yesterday. Small losses, decent wins. I like that hanging man. I like this hanging man here at resistance. But guys, honestly, the market is just drifting sideways. No direction whatsoever. Green bubbles. I want to check the cumulative delta here. Based on the cumulative delta, I think the price will drop, guys. That's what I think. The 266, it became an interesting level. Yeah, disappeared. Here it is, 266 down there. Buyers got defended it. We don't see a follow through. We don't see a follow through yet. Sellers are coming back to the same level. Let's see. Yes. It broke. We are below 260 now. Yep. It's going down. Nice. Very nice. Beautifully nice. Buyers hit the wall. Hit the wall. We want to see some sellers. So we can say that the range here at least is working out. The momentum is up here now. It's another support. The volume increased to the downside, but it's lowering down. Okay, it's fine. 30 seconds left. Whoa. We didn't see a follow through at 250. Oh, they're coming down again to test the level. Guys, this is so far a strong level on the market right now. Around 250. The market has a fast pace. Of course, it's Nasdaq. In my experience, the best market for scalping and fast-paced trading. For beginner traders, as I always say, S&P is much better because it's smoother and not that fast-paced like this Nasdaq. So far we are trading within that consolidating range. See, we are trading here. Buyers are trying to pick up. Right here, we don't want to get into any trades, nothing. It's in the middle of nowhere. The distance between this swing low and this swing high is very small. Picking up a trade in the middle is not the way I want. Still, the 250 is the biggest level in the market. sideways move, guys. Just sideways moves. What do we want to see today? Actually, within the next 25-30 minutes, it's a clear break below the R1 or above the R2. If we don't see that, the session will just go sideways. Imagine on the 5-minute chart, I see a long leg doji candlestick in the middle of nowhere. Not helpful. Who is buying, who is selling here, huh? Who is buying, who is selling? $243 now became an interesting level. Guys, look at this. Sideways, 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 sideways. Really is nothing going on here. This is a key area. Oh my God, very strong level. Very strong. We just want some clear direction, guys, huh? But as I said earlier, it's unlikely to get a smooth trend before the interest rates and the FOMC. Who thinks that Feds will keep rates unchanged tonight? Trying to push down, fails to sustain the move. That's a hot zone. 244, 243. It's a really hot area. Maybe this bearish engulfing here will push the price further down. The 240 has a lot of orders sitting there. This one here. They got disappeared. Guys, they got disappeared. The orders got disappeared. Okay. Here is a strong area. Let's see the interaction. Oh, sellers got smashed here. See? That's exactly where the support laid down. See that support? Whoop. So we are back where we started. Now the 220s becomes a level where buyers have interest. I think I'm gonna take my profits and walk away from the market now, because really it's just going nowhere here, guys. So this support, it's not the case anymore. We are seeing that sellers, I told you that bearish engulfing could push the price down. I built it up some positions here, so I'm gonna just close all my trades. Yeah, that's it for me. I managed to pick up some good trades at resistance, where the buyers didn't follow through. I didn't close anything down there, but now not interested to be in the market for longer time. Even if the price drops, honestly, I'm not interested at all in the market now. I want to see a clear break below this support or above this resistance. Guys, excuse me for a second. I'll be back. We are back. JP, the best live streamer in terms of actual trading knowledge. Thank you for your kind words. Let's go. Whoa, what is this bullish engulfing here? What is this bullish engulfing? Oh, buyers wants to get in. If buyers wants to get in, it can be a good sign. Let's go, let's go, let's go, people. Let's go. The market moves sideways. So who is buying what here, guys? JP, are you still here? Did you trade gold today? That's why I'm asking if you are here. I just want to ask you if you trade gold or something. Oh, look at this. Gold bounce from the support. That was the pre-market low, pre-market's low. Bearish engulfing from here. Hi, can't trade. Why you cannot trade? Why you cannot trade? I'm just waiting Nasdaq to break either to the downside or to the upside. Come on. Look at this. Look at gold. Guys, I don't know, but I'm just telling you, if you're new in trading and you're not, and you haven't experienced the market so well, around these times, New York session, before Feds will report interest rates, especially when they are keen to keep them unchanged, the markets will just go sideways, directionless, until they figure out, I guess, where they want to move. But the only thing for sure, if you want to trade sideways market, just look to buy support and sell resistance. That's how you pick up high quality trades. I like the music. It's a nice one. Up, gold, 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 gold. Where are you going? Where are you going, Mr. Gold? Buy or sell on gold, guys. What do you think? Buy or sell? Sideways market in the middle of nowhere. The answer is neither. A good trader is the trader who also says, I don't know, and I'm not buying, neither selling. Who disagree with that? Let's bring it on. Let's bring it on. Nasdaq. What is this guy doing here? Bullish engulfing at the low of the open. Still in a declining market. I think it's going to go down. What do you guys think? Whoa. Buyers woke up, huh? Woohoo, happy days. So for Nasdaq to go bullish again, we need to close above this VWAP. We need to close above the VWAP, guys. If we don't close above the VWAP, then it's going to be very difficult. Aggressive buyers heated the market at 250s. I didn't see a follow through. You also saw that we didn't see a follow through at 250s right there. Guys, this buyer here in the middle of selling pressure, it can be a good sign. Let's see now the market. Let's see. Look at these sellers, they got stopped out at 218. The market is under selling pressure, but it doesn't sell off. That's a big X for sellers now. It's under selling pressure, but it doesn't sell off. Not a very good sign. We want to see a sell off, a strong sell off. Otherwise, it's gonna be the buyers will pick up and push the price up. Price now is in the middle of nowhere, guys, but really in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. First we had this support, price falls, broke the support, now we are back to that. This is a descending triangle pattern. It is considered as a bearish continuation pattern, but it has to follow a downtrend. Oh, look at this inverse hammer at support. Inverse hammer at support. Let's see if the support will hold, and if support holds, the price should move away from the support fast. I think it's gonna hold. I think the support will hold. Let's see. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you here? I don't need to scream it out and be like, whoa, 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 because that's not my personality, but the support hold, it pushed the price up. Now, it's something you have to also understand. When we say something is expected to happen, we don't mean it's expected to happen and stay there for 10 days until someone says, yeah, now I understood. Yeah, I digested it now. Okay, I'm ready for the next move. The market doesn't work like this. The market moves from one level of support to one level of resistance. It can do it within 1 second, it can do it within 1 minute, it can do it within 1 day. It's all about price change in the markets. It's not about time consuming, it's about price change. Market moves based on price, not based on time. And think about that. We are making profits and losses based on time, not based on, based on price, not based on time. Don't you agree with that? It's not for how long you're going to hold the trade, is if the price will move from, let's say you bought right there, if it's going to move right there, up to there, okay? Or if you sold right there, if it's going to move down here. I think these buyers got stopped out there. But the sellers, the sellers don't look strong to push the price down, guys. They don't. We are right here at this support, and sellers are trying to push the price down. They managed to do it. Now the 220 will be the key level in the market, because it's above that resistance built it just 30 seconds ago. Look at how the sellers got flushed out here. They didn't manage to push the price there. Buyers stepped in. Let's see if it's going to be a sustainable move. It's a very, very strong level. Here sellers are trying to push. Guys, if the price won't sell off immediately, we're going to see an aggressive move to the upside. Let's watch it. Now it's all about who is going to do what. It's going to be either an aggressive sell-off or an aggressive digestion. Watch the heat map. Look at this. Guys, what did I tell you? It's either an aggressive sell-off or it's going to be a huge absorption, huge one. See this bullish engulfing on the mini chart. Now what we want to see is if the break of this support is going to be a valid one and solid. We have to see the sellers taking out fast this bullish engulfing. If we don't see that, most likely the price is going to skyrocket. Most likely. See this aggressive seller? Didn't follow through immediately. Okay, now we have more sellers joining the party. It's party time. Guys, look at this. They are trying to take out the bullish engulfing. Let's see what's going to happen. 213 is a key level. Okay, they managed to do that. So they are approaching the 200s. Key level of support here. Whoa, aggressive sellers, aggressive sellers. Let's go, let's go. Let's move. JP, did you see the new homepage of PropXP? No, I haven't checked it yet. I'll check it now. Oh, look at this. I like what I see here. Look at these guys. Starts trading. See all rules. Yeah, that's good. That's very nice. I like it. One phase, two phase, instant funding, and then it opens down. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, I like that they put all this stuff here on the left because it's more transparent, so there is nothing to be hide whatsoever, which is great. Trading rules, clear focus, no nonsense. Amazing how it works. How it works. Trading rules, everything on the single page here. You click on the left and you see everything, what is allowed there, tools, strategies, overnight plus weekend holding, etc, etc, leverage, day trading time. Good. That's, what can I say, that's great. So you don't need to go, you can choose your language, English or Spanish. You don't need to go and investigate to figure out if they have hidden rules. I don't know how experienced you are with prop firm, guys, but I'm very experienced with prop firms, and this is something we all need as traders. We want transparency. Okay. Sometimes it's normal not to understand everything, but I mean what's written on the list. Yeah, but at least we can Google stuff and we can figure it out. We can find everything, all the information. Look at these aggressive sellers. They didn't manage to go anywhere. Oh, guys, this is huge. This is huge. Wow, this is huge. If the buyer stays above here, then we're gonna have an explosion. Stay tuned. Come on. Push. Dodgy candles with aggressive sellers. It's like the inside information, the very inside information. Whoa, buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Open the window. Buyers are stepping in. Whoa, they got out that seller. Okay, 226 is the level. Hey, did they withdraw the orders? Whoa, let's see. Up. They didn't break. Oh, no big bubble, no huge green bubble here. Whoa. I want to see a push. I want to see the push to the upside. Patience. Here are they. Buyers made their appearance. Sellers also. Guys, I think we're gonna have a little bit push to the upside. Just a little. I think so. Or maybe not. Trade what you see. Look at this one. Nope. For the buyers to take control, the price must close above the 26,222. End of story. On the candlestick chart, this is what we call sticky market, not stinky market, but sticky candlesticks. Look at these candlesticks. They don't make lower lows, lower highs, or higher highs, higher lows. The one is just sticking, annoyingly sticking next to each other. Very annoying. Sellers are trying to get control here. Let's see if buyers will defend a little bit this level. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sellers are coming. Sellers said we are here. Okay. Okay. Why I don't see aggressive sellers at this level? Ah, here is one. Didn't follow through. Let's see. Yep. Try to follow through. Let's see what's going to happen here. Oh, buyers got absorbed. Guys, any purchase made today from PropXP, there is a 20% discount using the coupon code at the checkout. Just type Theo and you're gonna get 20% discount. Strong levels here, guys. Let's see anywhere above. No. Here. This is a key level of resistance. This one. Okay, look, markets are going sideways. They don't have a clear direction. There is more sentiment to the downside, as we just saw on the bigger scale, but again, I prefer to wait until the Feds report the interest rates, and we're going to be back with more market analysis in real time tomorrow at the same time. So I want to wish everyone to have a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. Happy trading, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.